guys, so I am finally back and ready to give this REV Air Reverse Hairdryer a try. If you watched my previous video where I unboxed this, then you will hear all the specs and all the details behind this machine. I'm excited. I just finished washing my hair and I put it up in my little microfiber towel. And I wanted to show you from start to finish how I deal with this. I didn't even part my hair, guys, because I wanted you to see what my hair looks like in its natural state. So I have a couple of tools here ready to go. I have my heat protectant. This is from Tresemme. It's a heat tamer. I've been using this for years. And then I also have my little Denman brush. I have a regular wide tooth comb. And I do have a couple of hair clips because I have to section my hair. It says to start with small sections. I normally section my hair in about, I would say 4. So today what I'm going to do is do 6. I'm thinking if I do them too big, then we won't be able to actually get the hair done. So let me go ahead and section this hair. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You've had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You've had me at a low. I don't understand why you're probably saw me run out of clips, right? So what I did was I have my front section, which will probably turn into maybe 3 or 4 sections, and I split it in my normal 4. So this will be 1, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then there's another one curled up in the back that makes 5. So I kind of have 5 sections. I'm just going to eyeball this because I think this is going to be enough, right? So what I want to do is, REV AIR did send me a spray bottle with this particular package that I got. I'll link the actual package that I got, like the whole set. Like it's a huge set besides just getting the machine. You can just get the machine if you want to, but they also have packages where you get like clips and a hair tie and all that stuff. I'm just going to take the mist my hair. I don't want it soaking wet. I just want it enough so that I can actually clear it out. I'm going to take my heat protectant. Spritz a little bit of that on there. Run it through. And then go through with my comb. I already detangled my hair, but I just need to do this a little bit more. So here we go, guys. Moment of truth. I'm so nervous and excited at the same time. You have no idea. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. It's going to get really loud. Oh, let me tell you what I'm doing before I do all that. I am putting it on, they say if it's your first time, start on 2. So I'm starting at 2, and I'm going to use the level 2 in terms of heat. They have 2 levels, cool and hot. So I'm going to use the hot level of heat. Okay, this is my first go. This is my first go at it, and I will say that I don't feel anything. It doesn't feel like it's pulling my hair off, but look at that, guys. I have blown out hair without blowing my hair. I'm shook. This is amazing. Okay, so I feel like I could probably go up to a 3. Yeah, because it's blown out for sure. I just think as I get to the coarser portions of my hair, I might need a little extra, a little extra oomph. So I will go up to a 3, and I will leave the heat setting at the 2 that I already have it at. It's a high heat. So guys, look. Okay, so let me move on to the next section in the back. Okay, so this is the first section, like a section that I split in two. And I will say that my hair doesn't feel dry. Like, it doesn't feel like a normal blow where your hair would feel dry and you have to put something on top of it. It actually feels really soft. Wow, and it looks moisturized. Like, it doesn't look like I dried it at all. It looks like it air dried exactly like this. And it looks shiny. Like, my hair looks amazing. I've never had this experience ever. And it's not hot to the touch either. In terms of after I take it out, it's not like blistering hot that I can't touch my hair. Like, I'm running my fingers through it because it's actually already cool. So this is a game changer. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair and see how my hair feels. Now, the only thing is I need to clip this out of the way so that I can do the rest.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright.
Okay guys, I am done with one half of my head. And I wanted to show you my results. Now, I can see a difference. I noticed as I was inching and creeping up the line, I did notice like how it can vary in terms of how straight the hair is. You can probably see the difference here. The front I did at high heat at a level 5, and you can see the difference. In the back, I did it at high heat at a level 2, and then I switched to a 3. As you can see, I still have some fuzziness going on. So now I know that my level is basically a 5 on high heat because it's way straighter than when I did it on the 3 and the 4. But they tell you in the pamphlet to go up gradually, and that's what I did because then I can feel my way through it and see if the tension is okay for me and if, you know, the results are okay. Like at 5, I'm okay. I have not tried 6 yet. At 5, it felt okay, and I can see a difference in the straightness. But I am shook. I am like, guys, I blow dried my hair without having to do much. Like, just hold the thing. Now, if you have missed arm day, then you'll have to be like me and use your knee to prop up your arm if it starts to get tired. But my hair is blown out, guys. My hair is blown out without being blown out. It was blown in by my REV AIR.
Be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this moment to end.
guys, so I am completely done with my hair using the My REV Hair Reverse hair dryer. You guys, I'm done. I'm done. Like, you guys saw me on my phone. Like, I had a whole hand to do all kind of other things, and my hair is completely blown out. Like, there's no dampness at the root at all. At all. Now, the only thing I would say is probably something that, you know, we can always get with one of those little hair straighteners is the little bits in the front. This machine obviously is too big to grab those little pieces, but other than that, I'm fine. I'm happy. But you can see the difference between when I was using the lower tension and then the higher tension with heat. Like, so right now, I think my number is number 5, between 5 and 6, depending on which side of my head I'm on. If I'm in the middle of my head, I use the 6 because it's a little bit coarser in there, and I can see a difference. And I am absolutely in love with this machine, guys. It is bulky, but it's worth it. Like, hello, can you tell? Can you tell? You can tell how blown out my hair is without all of the extraness. Now, I will say one thing that I really like about this is when you hand blow your hair with a regular hair dryer and a comb, you could probably get a whole lot of breakage. And with this, there's no real breakage in terms of you having to manipulate the hair. The only time I manipulated my hair was when I was putting in the heat protectant and just running it through. But that's it. Because you're just using this and all the tension is in here, then that's all it's doing. It's just really the tension method in a machine. So I really appreciate that fact that I can get basically a salon blowout at home without the damage. So I'm excited, guys. My hair is blown out. I'm excited. Now, I just have to twist this up and be done. My hair is so soft and moisturized. Holy cow. Wow. Like, normally, if I use a normal hair dryer, my hair would feel dry and brittle. And this feels so soft. Wow. It's like, as it was pulling my hair, it trapped all of that moisture from the water, what I was putting on it. Like, that is amazing. That is amazing. So if you do get a chance to check out the REV air dryer, I know it's bulky, but it's worth it. Like I said, I know they have a couple of sales happening for the holiday season. Check those out. Put this on your Christmas list. Put this on your wish list, or even buy it for yourself for Christmas, especially if you love blowing out your hair. This is a necessity. It is something that you need, especially if you are prone to heat damage, if you're prone to breakage. This is something that I think has definitely changed the game, and I'm obsessed. All right, you guys, that is it. I just wanted to show you guys how I use the My REV hairdryer. Do let me know in the comment section if you like my results, if you're going to check this bad boy out, and I will see you in the next one really soon. Don't forget to check out the unboxing as well if you want to see all of the different components. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.